Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to the M3 Lee 3D suspension model that I'm making on Blender. And as you can see, I've progressed a little bit further with it. We have suspension arms now. Let me go ahead and get rid of the photograph here, maybe. I don't know if I can. We'll just hide that. There, now we can orbit around the part. But we have the suspension arms. We have the shocks, basically, and their mount, and the rod that goes to there, connecting to these upper suspension arms, and them suspension arms are connected to the lower suspension arms. So it's looking like a pretty darn accurate 3D model of what the parts on the model actually look like. Again, I haven't done any smoothing, so there's a little bit of ridges there, but that can all be done. I'm going to finish the rest of it here before I get worrying about the fine details. But there is some ribbing that goes all the way around this part here. And just something neat here. I found out not only can I mirror off this line, but it also divides here too. So I worked on this part here and made these other three, generated the other three. Same with the upper suspension arm. I just worked on this one and then boom, boom, boom. Matter of clicking a couple buttons and all of them were made. So takes the hard work out of it, and they're all symmetrical. So, but I didn't mean to click that. Select none. See if I can get a better angle. My lighting's kind of weird. It's kind of hard to orbit it. It's weird how that goes, but anyways, around the circumference of the lower suspension arm is going to be a rib like this, and then there'll also be the mounting holes here, which will pretty much be a mirror image of this, and then have a rod go all the way through it for the axle, and then the wheel, the main rollers will be attached to there. So it is coming along, and I'm happy with the progress so far. Oh, yeah, I forgot to show this. I did the 90-degree part. This whole thing is where this will be where the hull is, and it glues to there. And I put the oh, my computer froze up. Put the rib there, detail in that one. I did get that accomplished. But not much left to do. Like I said, a little bit of detail work, ribbing here, and the axle, and the detail for the bushing area and whatnot, where the axle goes through, and we're going to have ourselves a finished 3D model, and I can't wait to print. Well, I'll have to slice it first. You make the 3D model, I got to save it as a certain type of file, and then I got to load it into the 3D printers, what they call a slicer, and it'll basically take it like this and go from the ground up and put all the webbing and everything that for the support for the part, the way it prints, I guess I should say. I don't know the technical terms for any of that. I'm new to 3D printing, and I've made 3D models in the past. I made a 3D sock monkey model, and I made some 3D architecture stuff on Blender years ago. And then I didn't do anything with it for the last couple years, and like I said, I forgot how to do half of it, and I had to delete my old Blender and upload the new one because all the tutorials were on this new Blender setup. So kind of relearning it, and it's pretty much the same. It's just things are in a different spot now. The hotkeys seem to be the same, but it's been so long. But it is looking good. I'm happy with it. And we got some thunder going on outside. We got storms. I'm probably going to save this and then upload this video and probably shut my computer down. We had a bad storm yesterday, and hopefully we don't get the same thing tonight. But anyways, I'm kind of rambling. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.